Are you looking for ways to make money with real estate in 2023? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 creative ideas to make money with real estate this year. From flipping houses to investing in rental properties, we'll cover it all. So, if you're ready to get started on your real estate journey, let's dive in. Investing in rental properties. Investing in rental properties is one of the most popular ways to make money with real estate. This involves purchasing a property, such as a house or apartment, and then renting it out to tenants. This can be a great way to generate a steady stream of income, as well as build equity in the property over time. The key to success with rental properties is to find a good location, purchase the property at a competitive price, and then manage the property effectively. Flipping houses. Flipping houses is another popular way to make money with real estate. This involves purchasing a property, making improvements, and then selling it for a profit. This can be a great way to make a quick return on investment, but it requires a lot of work and a good eye for potential. It's important to research the market and find properties that are likely to appreciate in value. Investing in REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are a great way to invest in real estate without having to purchase a property. REITs are publicly traded companies that own and manage real estate properties. They are a great way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to the real estate market. Investing in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a relatively new way to invest in real estate. This involves pooling money from multiple investors to purchase a property. This can be a great way to invest in real estate without having to put up a large amount of money. It also allows investors to diversify their portfolios and gain exposure to different types of real estate investments. Investing in real estate notes. Investing in real estate notes is another way to make money with real estate. This involves purchasing a mortgage note from a homeowner and then collecting payments from the borrower. This can be a great way to generate a steady stream of income, as well as build equity in the note over time. It's important to do your research and make sure the note is a good investment.